Things you should know before starting trading on TD Ameritrade in 2024. 1. Account types. TD Ameritrade offers various account types, including individual, joint, IRA, Roth IRA, and custodial accounts. Choose the one that suits your needs. Fees. TD Ameritrade charges various fees, including commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options with a zero minimum trade requirement. $65 per options contract, minimum $650 per trade. 2.5% annual fee on cash balances below $500. Inactivity fees applies to accounts with no activity in 12 months. 3. Minimums. TD Ameritrade has a minimum balance requirement of $0 for most accounts, but some services may require a minimum deposit. 4. Platforms. TD Ameritrade offers several platforms, including Thinkorswim, a professional-level platform for advanced traders, TD Ameritrade Mobile, a mobile app for trading on the go, WebTrader, a web-based platform for easy trading. 5. Trading options. TD Ameritrade offers various trading options, including stocks, trade over 13,000 U.S. stocks, ETFs, trade over 1,000 ETFs, options, trade options on individual stocks, ETFs, and indices, futures, trade futures contracts on various commodities and indices, Forex, trade currencies with a dedicated Forex account. 6. Research and education. TD Ameritrade offers extensive research and education resources, including market analysis and commentary from experts, trading strategies and tutorials, online courses and webinars. 7. Security. TD Ameritrade is a reputable and well-regulated financial institution with robust security measures in place to protect your account and personal information. 8. Customer support. TD Ameritrade offers 24/7 customer support via phone, email, and online chat. 9. Mobile trading. TD Ameritrade's mobile app allows you to trade on the go from your mobile device. 10. Paper trading. TD Ameritrade offers a paper trading feature that allows you to practice trading with virtual money before opening a real account.